Look at this wonderful helm station downstairs in the saloon. Look at that big space underneath the helm chair, and you're wondering, what could I do with all of that space? Well, follow me into the guest stateroom and I'll show you. That's where the washers and dryers are installed on this boat. So on the right we've got a high efficiency washer, and on the left a traditional dryer. And then another bonus, look up overhead and you can see all the wiring for the instruments on the dashboard. So all of this equipment is very easily accessible. It's wonderful for the owner of the boat and for any technician that has to do any installations or repairs. So if you're curious about electrical systems, electronic systems, washers or dryers, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.